4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, right 4, into left 4, 40. Right 3 past junction, into left 2, into right 2 over crest, 40. Middle over crest, 40, to left 2, into right 2 plus, 80. Left 2, 60, left 3 half long, 40, left 4, into right 5, 40, going down the hill here, right 3, into left 5, and right 3 slowing for left 8 long, into tight right 8, into left 7, right 2 and left 3, slippy 80 to turn hairpin right, tight, into left 5 half long, slippy continues, and right 3, 80, the right 3 long tightens, into right 4 plus, into left 4, 40, care, left 1 over small crest, turn right 7, sudden right 7, 100, right 3 plus long, 40, right 3 plus over small crest, 40 again, to right 5, opens long, 40 again, to left 3, continues for 80 and slowing for left 7, care tight, don't cut, stay neat. 170 down the middle, right 4 tightens, into tight right 5 half long, 40, left 2, 100, right 2 over junction, slippy, 300 up the middle, left 1 into right 3, and left 3 tightens past junction long, and right 3 slippy, 40 down the hill, left 4 long slippy, and downhill to left 5, don't cut, 60 slowing for left 8 half long, 40, right 1 into left 4, 200, middle over small crest, and middle over small crest bump, then 300 down the hill, left 2 plus, into middle over small crest, dip 130, to right 3 at the lone tree, through dip, and left 2 over flat crest, 100, small crest into right 2, 40, middle over small crest, into right 3 tightens past junction, into right 4, 130, right 3 plus, 40, right 3 tightens long, and left 3 slowing for turn hairpin right, 80 after, middle over flat crest long, 130 through dip, nicely, left 5 plus long, 170 up the middle, then right 2 slowing into hairpin left, 80 up the middle, left 1 over small crest past the junction, 40 after, to right 5 plus, long opens are up inside, 80, left 4 and right 2, into left 2, into right 2, and left 3 plus half long, 60. Right 3 plus 100. Right 3 plus long, 80. Right 2 plus long, 100. Then left 3 plus over crest past junction, 40. To right 4, rough inside. And left 2, don't cut, 100 up the middle. Left 3, 350 up the middle. Middle over crest, and right 2 into another crest. Left of middle.
Say again, please.
So crest right 2, crest left of middle. Then 40 to right 3 plus. 130 down the middle. Right 4, 130 down the middle again. Left 4 over crest slippy, 130. Right 4 into left 2 long, slowing, 40. Care left 8, 100. Right 2 plus, and middle over junction, 60. Right 2 long, plus, and 130 up the middle. To left 3, 80. Right 2 tightens long, into right 3, 130. Left 2 long, 40. Left 2 plus, 150. Right 2 plus continues for 200. Then 130. To right 2 plus again, 60 to left 2. Immediate right 2, slowing for left 3. Then 60, slowing for left 7 past 5, brake slippy. 100. Flat crest middle, 130. To right 2, 80. Right 1. Into small crest and turn right 4 plus. 80. Left 2 long. Into left 3 long. 60. Right 4 slow in. Then 40 for turn hairpin left, very tight. 250, middle over crossroads, bump, into left 3, don't cut. 200. Middle over flat crest long, then 60 downhill, left 3 plus long. And right 2 opens over crest flat, 100, right 2 plus, 200. Left 2 into crest bump middle, and downhill to left 3 plus, don't cut. 150. Left 3 long slippy, and right 2 over small crest. Into left 2, care slowing, downhill to right 7, long, 40. Left 5 slippy, and left 2 tightens. Into left 3 long, into middle over flat crest, 200. Right 2 plus, 170. To right 2 long, slowing, and care downhill into right 7, opens, continues for 100. So right 7, opens, continues for 100. What was that?
I started to say again.
Okay, 170. To chicane, from the left hand side. Then 80, right 2
Fuck me.
Oh shit, okay, yep, just get it straightened.
I can't see anything.
Well done.
I thought I couldn't see it properly.
Okay, 80 to right 2 plus long, 300, up the middle, left 2, through logs over junction, then 100. Left 2, through logs over junction and 100. Then care, left 4 tightens, stay neat, logs into left 7, sorry, late. 40, left 3, continues for 130, 100, right back on it. Left 2 plus, 60, then left 2, continues for 150, 150 after, right 2, plus. Then 200 down the middle.
This is not good. I think the engine's tightening up, I think.
Right, okay. So you got a right 2, then 200 down the middle. To big caution, hairpin right. And left 5 long. Into right 2. Into tight right 5. Into right 9. Right 9, right 9. Into left 2, right 4. 80. Left 3, slippy. 170. Right 3 long, 150. Right 2 over small crest, 80. Care, left 4, right 8. So left 4, right 8 here. 130, care ahead. Left 3, right 8 narrow. 150, up the middle. Small crest, left 2, into right 2, continues for 130. 40, for left 4, into middle over junction. 250. Right 2 plus at path 350. Then care, left 4 tightens past junction into left 8 long, very tight. This is 4 into 8. 60, small crest long, into right 5 plus long. 130, to turn right 9 half long. 130, left 5 plus long. 100. Left 2 and right 3, 150. Middle over small crest, then 60 downhill to right 4. 130, slowing for turn right 9, tightened round bales. Then tight left into right 3. 250, care ahead, crest into left 7 plus.
It's wrong last time, didn't I?
Crest left 7 plus. Yeah. 450 down the middle to finish. And after the boards you get a right 4. Okay. Well done, you're through. Right 4.